Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. Looking for a summer treat that's delicious, easy and healthy? Today's ice cream recipe checks all the boxes. It's quick and easy, made with simple everyday ingredients, and it's so indulgent and healthy enough you'll be happy to scoop it up any time of the day, even for breakfast. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start by adding half cup of oats to a medium-sized bowl, followed by half cup of pitted and roughly chopped dates. Pour in half cup of warm whole milk. Give everything a good mix and let it soak for about 20 minutes or until the dates turn soft and tender. Next, let's prepare the berry sauce. Heat a pan over low to medium heat and add about 100 grams of raspberries. You can replace them with other berries or fruits of your choice. Cook and mash them gently for around 5 minutes until the sauce thickens and most of the liquid has cooked off. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now into a blender or food processor, add the soaked oats and dates. Blend them until smooth and creamy. To this, add 1 cup of thick yogurt. I am using Skyr, but Greek yogurt or any other variety of thick yogurt will also work well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of unsweetened peanut butter. You can replace this with almond or cashew butter, or if you prefer, skip the nut butter and just soak a few of your favorite nuts with the oats and dates earlier. Blend everything until well combined and creamy. And the ice cream base is ready. Transfer the mixture to a container. You can mix in the berry sauce directly, but I like to layer it like this to create a beautiful pattern when scooping. Now mix the sauce layers gently with the ice cream base. Cover the surface with cling wrap to prevent ice crystals. Then seal the container with a foil. Freeze the ice cream overnight or until it's fully set. And that's it. This breakfast-friendly ice cream is ready to enjoy. Let it sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before scooping. Whether you are craving a post-workout snack or a yummy treat after dinner, this one truly hits the spot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried ice cream for breakfast, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.